Hello traders, today we will take few trades. If you check here, I have opened Euro USD pair. Okay, now the market is at a buying area. So can I go with a reversal here? Yes, I can go here with a reversal. Okay, let me take the trade first. And second, here you can check the area of the buying. So easily here you can go with buyers. So here if you notice, what did you understand? Market is trying to come down, and if you observe one thing, the market is making every time lows continuously to go with a downtrend. Even in the previous, if you notice, I have plotted only two levels. Already the area has been respected, again retested and coming down. Same thing will happen here also. It will respect, will break out, and it will coming down because the market is moving in a pattern that every time new lows, respect, reversal, respect, reversal. So according to our logic at present, yes, you can expect a selling candle here. So easily I can go with sellers. And one more thing I will mention you here. If you understand one thing, every time the market won't follow in a direction, sometimes it will make lows, lower lows with a valid retested reversal, retest, reversal. Here same thing is going to happen. Sometimes the market will make a breakout and it will go directly, but it will be sometimes wave breakout, or it will try to retest the previous level and it will go. That is a different scenario. At present scenario is the market instantly reverse, retest, and again it is continuing. And I want to show you one thing here today. Okay, this is the current candle. We are win. Okay, let me complete the candle first. I will show you one thing. Okay, here in this case the candle made a red candle, but it didn't made any strong candle that could break previous wick level. So here you can't expect a selling candle. When you can expect a selling candle means if this candle, which means the present candle also a selling candle, means you can expect a confirmation. Because I have mentioned so many times, after breakout you need confirmation that the market could continue, which means you need one more selling candle to go to the next level, which means the retest has been confirmed. Later the market has shown you one more confirmation candle that it could go down. And how can you explain these confirmations? Means in the most of the patterns like engulfing, inverter, so these all things are there, right? For them also they need a confirmation that one candle should be a confirmation candle that the market will try to move to the next level. So same scenario, after here breakout also you need one more candle that the market could confirm and could go down. Okay, here you notice, what do you understand? We got win. Okay, now what is the scenario? Green red pattern, like red green pattern, anything it is. So try to follow this pattern. And one more thing, I should mention this point, market won't go instantly continuations. Market won't make every time green red pattern. Sometimes some scenarios will matter, like just now I have mentioned a point that the candle didn't break the previous wick level and it made one more green candle. Again just now it has been breakout. So here I have a pattern, I will follow that. If next candle is also a sellers means then we can continue with the sellers, but as of now I will follow the same pattern. But already our criteria has been formed, but I will go with buyers only for the next candle. See, left side you don't have any levels. In these kind of areas only these kind of things will be complicated. So I will go with buyers here. Whether it will be sellers also, at present I have a pattern, I should follow it, whatever it is. Okay, here I have two confirmations that I can go with sellers, but red green pattern is there. So we'll see what will happen. If this was a selling candle, next I will definitely go with sellers. If this is a buying candle, yeah, obviously I can go with sellers because red green pattern is working. Okay, so whenever you have get a confirmations, then only you can trade. Okay, and one more point here, in these kind of situations, whenever left side if you don't have any valid chart to draw levels, try to avoid. If you don't have left side chart, still you want to take trades, means you need one or two more confirmations to take a trade. Remember this thing. See, here I got loss, which means the pattern is ended. So easily now you can follow the sellers again. Now you can follow the selling momentum. Maybe after this candle it could be a momentum, right? So try to understand these points. Left side you don't have any levels, you don't have time to draw also means yes, it's fine, but present scenario should be strong. Try to understand these things. Otherwise don't take trades, because if you have left side any levels, you have a clarity, you have a target that the market could reach to the certain level. When you don't have any kind of things in the left side, how can you blindly go? That is the point. Okay, see here I have a confidence that the confirmation I have got taken, so later I have gone with sellers here, and now I can say that the market has been retested and the market is trying to form a momentum. After this candle I will go again with sellers because the candle is strong, so easily I can go with sellers, right? And one more thing, with margin of safety I have taken. So in these kind of scenarios you should think about these points, because every time whenever the market is making new high new low, it is quite common, you can understand the market that the market could reach to the next level, but here we don't have any levels to plot also, whether the trend line, whether the horizontal level. So in these kind of scenarios we need to focus on the candles, that what they are trying to say. So by seeing itself you can understand that there could be strength. I need to take margin of safety, which will save us by the entry points. So try to remember these things. Okay. So if you don't understand this point, try to watch once again. Still, if you didn't get, try to message me. I will definitely clear you this kind of points, because most of the people will confuse regarding these areas. So that's why try to understand this area. See, here I have a 50-50 question, that what is the next candle. Here buyers can come, sellers also will come. Why? How can you say? Because by seeing itself candle, the previous candle which has been a red candle, it's fine, but even it didn't made a new low, no, right? So these kind of confirmations you need to take. So I will do one thing, with margin of safety I will go with sellers, because I will follow the momentum overall downtrend, but I need one more thing, which is margin of safety. And one more thing I have been mentioned here, the candle could be buyers or sellers. Why? Because previous candle was a weak. Here you can try to avoid also, it's your call. So try to understand these points. If you get maximum margin of safety, yes, go for it. Okay, because this kind of weakness the market will show. Even left side, if you have a valid level means obviously you will wait, right? Or you could take a reversal trade, but here you don't have any levels means, so you should wait here. Okay, see, at last we got win because of our entry point, but it is a buying candle. And what is the next candle now? After momentum, one candle which is a weak one, downtrend, can I go with sellers? Yes, I can go with sellers. Oh, it's a fast momentum, so I got a late entry. Anyways, I will stick to the one trade only. So whenever you are trading, if you understand the points, easily you can identify the market moves. See, here I didn't take any levels. The market has coming from a downtrend, so obviously I'm going with a downtrend. And second thing, the market has been retested and it is trying to continue. According to this area only I have been analyzed. Even you could understand how the things are going on. Okay, so try to understand the points. Okay, if this is win, I will close the session. If this is loss, I will take one more trade and I will close the session. Okay, I think you have got clarity what I am talking about, right? See, at last was lost because of my entry point. Previously, even the candle is not cut, but we got win. Here I can go with buyers. You can ask why. Here, if you understand one thing, all of a sudden the candles have been get weak, and second time the sellers have been entered with lower rejection. Here I could expect a buying, because without level, without anything, the market won't even make a reversal. Remember this thing, twice I am saying this. And the candle is not at all break the wick level of the buying candle. Try to understand. So whenever you are trading in the market, try to understand these kind of things, because if you are trying to trade left side, there could be a level, otherwise it won't come. And you can say that, how can you say that the market could reverse? Means after momentum, even you got a weak selling candle, means what do you expect? Left side there could be a definitely level. Without any reason market won't reverse, right? Already the sellers have been reversed Okay, so try to understand. See, finally we got win. Okay guys, have a nice day. Thank you. Take care.